I don't get something about the fable with the boat, where he drills a hole. Someone comes up to him and says, "Fool, what are you doing? You're drowning us all. What, you're coming to play with my conscience? What exactly is going on here? What do I care, sinking everyone or not sinking everyone? If I would have cared for everyone, I wouldn't have made a hole." What is a boat? A boat means the connection between us. Let's draw it nicely. Let's draw a nice boat with a sail. And what else do you want? We have an anchor here. What else do you want on the boat? That's it? Even an engine. Now, Owen's sitting here, and with a drill, a Japanese drill, is drilling a hole. Comes up who? Moshe Admoni, he has this pita on his head, he likes walking around that way. Sailors go that way, walk around that way actually. And he says, Owen, with his hands on his heart, "What are you doing?" What does Owen say? "Leave me alone, be on your way. I'm drilling under myself. I want to take a shower." That's it. You don't want to shower? Distance yourself. So what's the question? And then Moshe comes up and says, "Look, you're sinking us all." Now, I have to be excited as a result. First of all, it means that Moshe is concerned for everyone. He's really together with everyone. And you're breaching this law. You know that there is a law, and you're not doing the right thing. Why? Because you think that in a certain action, one of your actions, out of 1,000 actions that you do, 999 of the actions you perform, they're 100% good. One action is not good, by which you're drilling a hole. And you, by this deed, possibly you don't even really discern that you're making a hole, then they come to you and say, "Mister, it's a hole." By this, you're breaching our arvut. The wall of the boat is the connection between us. It's a network. This boat entirely, what is it? It's the connection between us. That's the boat. What is this bowl? What is this kli? We build it. And then turns out that you break the kli.